We need first of all a suction hook, like this one. They come really cheap. I bought 4 of them for just €1. Then a regular ring to use it as a kind of piercing, a hand drill. Or if you don't have a hand drill, you can also use just a regular needle. It needs to be a little bit thicker because you want to put the ring onto this little piece, which will be the nipple. You need mostly these few colors, but you can also make a darker nipple, a blue nipple, whatever. A regular glue gun, a few brushes in different sizes, a little piece of sandpaper. Now we can start. This is the hardest part to try. You take this part and then just peek a hole through it. If you got your holes there, you need to put a ring through it. I got these standard rings you have for keychains. My glue gun is already heated, you can see. And now I will put there a little bit of stuff in there. And I just fill this hole up. And I think it's already enough. So I will take it away from the plug. Oh my god. It looks a little bit bumpy. I want mine to be a little bit more smoother. You can also cut off the parts you don't want. It looks alright to me. If you want a realistic nipple, you first need to research. Color is really important to make it look realistic. I'm trying my best to make it look realistic. First of all, need a little bit of water. Water cadabra! But there might be a little bit missing. Okay, I can work with it. Make first a ground. A little bit more thicker foundation. Actually, you should not paint the inside. I'm not sure if it will still hold really well. Wow. I'm painting the ball. Painting it really well. I'm painting the ball. Something that rhymes. The best is that you try it a few times because it really needs to be a good foundation. Acrylic on plastic or rubber needs some time. Just let it dry. So I realized it's not a bad idea to isolate the metal ring and therefore use this tape. Make sure not to heat it too much because it's rubber. Yeah, it doesn't look as good as I wanted. And so nature is not perfect, so this won't be perfect at all. I'm trying to make it realistic. So I recommend doing this at daylight. Nature isn't perfect. Difficult right now on this light. But if you look at this side, it's almost fully covered up. Rise of the nipple. This is the final piece. Yeah. Still works, but if you want to secure it really good, put on some kind of glue pad onto the surface. And you can also use it for other stuff.